This is your mortgage rate watch for Wednesday, April the 6th, and I'm Keith Akada with the Mortgage Reel. Lack of news and the fears of forewarnings of inflation coming from Walmart still kind of grumbling in the Wall Street market, and this is facing headwinds for the bond markets today. Also, the dollar weakness is really hurting because of the fact that oil is spiking so hard, driving the core costs. Keep in mind, consumer inflation comes in here because of the fact that core inflation is being driven up because of the oil spikes and how much more expensive everything is going to be across the board. We just want to talk a little bit about what economists are saying for the second half of 2011. They are seeing that it will be picking up. Now, it's not going to be significantly that's picking up, but it's still a continuous and steady pickup over the course of the second half of 2011. What we're also seeing in the housing market, national numbers are national numbers. Let's focus on what's happening here in our own local region. Boeing showing signs of health, relocation companies communicating with us that they're bringing in more people. Companies here that are headquarters out of Washington are bringing in more people. Another thing too is on refinances, on purchases. Again, that's spotty depending on the area, but a lot of areas are showing signs of stability. Classically, in a purchase and sales agreement received at a purchase price of $400,000, appraisal came in at $405,000. On an appraisal done on a home that was acquired 2 years ago, coming in higher than the original acquired purchase price. All signs of positivity for 2011. We hope this comes as good news for some folks out there that may not have taken advantage of the Home Affordable Refinance Program, or HARP, set forth by the Obama administration. The loans that had not been purchased by March of 2009 or thereafter were no longer qualified. However, as of today, we have a window that increased it by 3 months. So now you have April, May, and June of 2009 that you now can seek the Home Affordable Refinance Program for assistance. And this is a big window because we have several clients that we had just on the sidelines telling them, unfortunately, we weren't able to assist them. And now we're making the phone calls back to let them know that the opportunity is back. So many folks out there that are underwater, that have those second mortgages, this is a huge opportunity because you're now able to use the Home Affordable Refinance Program. Make sure to check on the links for Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae to see if your loan has been purchased. And then after, we just have to make sure that your loan was purchased by June of 2009 in order to qualify. Make sure to leave any comments, feedback, or questions below. We'll make sure from Team Mortgage Reel to get back and answer those as quickly as possible. We have a special request we'd like to make before you leave, and hopefully you've enjoyed today's clip. Make sure to check on the home page. Click on the banner at How to Beat the Banks, and that'll take you directly to our Facebook fan page. We definitely put out more and more information and to create transparency in the financing process of home ownership. We're big advocates of home ownership, obviously, but we want to make sure it's as easy as possible to understand what's impacting and the education necessary for home ownership today. And when you're visiting us on Facebook, make sure to like us when you're there. Thanks for tuning in to Your Mortgage Rate Watch. We'll be back with more news impacting your largest investment, your home.